What's going on? You already know, back again in DR, guys. Been here for about 2-3 days now already. I actually ended up meeting with one of my subscribers, Jon. Shout out to you, Jon. I'm gonna put up some clips from when I linked up with him. Hopefully I can meet up with him again. But yep. Alright guys, so I'm here in the Dominican Republic and I'm about to go meet one of my subscribers. He's at this bar around the corner. First time meeting one of my subscribers, man. It's about to be kind of lit. I'm really excited about this. Shout out to Jon, man. He lives here in the DR, so we're gonna see what's going on, guys. He's at this bar that we went to earlier. I got there earlier before him, and he was like, it's not really that good of a bar. I wonder if that's him right there. Just ate some crepes. Me and Jon in the building, man. You already know. The crepes was good, guys. I usually don't even vlog on my phone, so I'm real interested to see how the quality gonna be, brother.
Crepe zone, zona colonial. Exactly.
I'm gonna give it 8.5 out of 10. That's just because I had it without the sauce. Jon. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm vlogging on the iPhone. I just left Jon and I'm headed back to the room right now. It's a pretty incredible guy, man. It's absolutely amazing to link up with a subscriber and to, you know, just hang out, man. It's absolutely insane.
If you wanna bring it.
Where we about to go?
We're going to buy ice cream. Helado.
Let's go. Looking like a movie star. I like the quality. About to go get ice cream right around the corner. But Altagracia, she's lazy. She doesn't want to walk. You don't want to walk?
I'm walking.
Talking about you walking. Alright guys, so we're gonna have Altagracia tell you about Boca Chica. So go ahead, Altagracia. Tell her. You're not gonna tell her? Guys, look at that. It's a crab. You don't see it? I think it's about to come up. Oh, it's right there. We going to Bonn, right there, guys. If you ever come to Boca Chica, make sure I check out Bonn. Definitely good ice cream place, guys. Let me get a bigger one.
Uno más grande.
Yeah, I'll get that.
¿Tres sabores?
That. You get a small?
Yeah.
So are you happy now that you got your ice cream?
Yeah.
So how does it taste?
I was happy at the room too.
What?
I was happy at the room too.
Why?
I'm happy. I'm with you.
Oh, really? So why should people come to the Dominican Republic? Tell them.
Because of the beach, the food, ice cream.
So like I'm saying, guys, make sure y'all check this place out. Ice cream is really good. Give it a 10 out of 10. All the flavors, extremely flavorful. But Altagracia, she's across the street trying to buy a dress. In that store over there. So we about to get some manicures and pedicures. Altagracia is waiting at the end of the street. I don't think we got enough, so I'm about to head back to the room to get some more money. Make sure y'all check this place out too. That's the name of the hotel that I'm staying at. It's pretty decent, pretty cheap, and you see it looks good. So check it out, guys. All right, just got my money back. Had to grab a cold presidente. I'm about to head back to meet Altagracia at the street. She didn't want to walk all the way back to the room. Very, very understandable though. But let's go see if we can get a manicure and a pedicure or a massage. You know, something to do for the Sunday, man. Let me get them to open this as well. Thanks. Oh, got it. Almost dropped this. Looked like she went in here.
Baby.
Yeah, looking good.
Huh?
Get a camera at 360. Let me see.
¿Cómo que está esto?
Hey, look, oh my goodness. Okay, it's looking real
Yes,
good.
baby.
See? I don't know if I can hear the music, but you know you got to get in that vibe when you out here. Like that's dope, guys. Big up Jamaica, not the Dominican Republic. This is what Dominicanos do to you. They just go in their pockets, give me the money.
Baby, what you say?
What do you think?
No, what do you think?
What? What do you want to tell the vlog?
Nothing.
We're still doing a little shopping, guys. Right here. Reasonable prices. Look at her digging in my pockets. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? One love. One art. Jamaican flag. Big up. So we just came from shopping. As you guys can see, walking. The sun is blazing hot down here in the Dominican Republic. Blazing hot. We about to head down there, guys. And that chess game still back there.
Baby, did you lose 2 times? Yeah.
Yes, I was playing that guy in chess earlier and I did lose 2 times.
And you play how many times?
2. That's it. That's it. It be like that, guys. You gotta have fun out here in the DR. You gotta have fun, man. I don't know what's going on, but she mad. She just threw a cup or something. So we about to go up here. Try to go get some massages. The crazy lady at the park in the back taking off her clothes. I don't know why. But hey, it is what it is, man. It's DR. Ain't that right? So where's that? 3rd floor.
Oh my goodness. The lazy. The lazy boy.
I don't know what you're talking about. So what did they go up there and tell you? What did they say?
They said tomorrow at 2 p.m. Today they are not working anymore.
End up stopping in this food place. Hola. This food looking good, guys. You gotta stop and get some of that. Gotta stop and get some of that.
Dame a mí un poquito de sofá.
About to go eat some food. And didn't you say that we're gonna meet up with your friends at 4? So that was the cheapest food I've ever gotten in Boca Chica. Give it an 8 out of 10. What do you rate the food? What do you rate the food?
Good.
On a scale of 1 to 10. Alright guys, so Alta Gracias friends are here and we're gonna go shoot some pool. Alright, so let's go say hello to these people I never met. Have you met them before?
Who?
They're friends. I'm joking guys, she met them. Where they at? Where they at? Where? Oh, that's them. Hello. That's the friends. What's going on? Got you in, and I got you As you can see, we're having a nice time. So we're about to just go for a little walk off the beach. And then probably head to a club. I've never been to a club out here. So I want to see what that's like, guys.
Tourist.
Who's a tourist? Ain't no tourist. I'm a local out here. They know me. Damn. Yeah, you can't beat it, man. Have you ever stayed at that B-Lab? Anywhere over here that's nice, you shouldn't spend more than $75 a night. Right. Well, beach is gorgeous at night, man. because he's the man. You see, that's why you gotta appreciate women outside the country more, guys. Absolutely incredible. No feminism in the Dominican Republic. Keep that BS in America.